back to my channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix box. Surprise, surprise. And I know I keep saying this every time I have been MIA on this channel, but I am so busy with life in general, work, my kids, the holidays now are just approaching so quickly. But I do have this Stitch Fix box and I've tried to film it numerous times. And it's a rainy day, so I apologize for the lighting. I do have my ring light on, and I have to have the overhead lights on in my house because it is raining out. And I should have filmed this Monday when it was nice and sunny and everything else out, but I got pulled away for a work call and I was never able to get back to do a video. So apologies for that, but I'm here now. So let's discuss, before we move any further, how Stitch Fix works. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, you can read about it in the comments. Furthermore, when you sign up for your first Stitch Fix box, you will be charged a $20 styling fee. But if you've never used Stitch Fix before, again, head to that comment box and in there, there's a link, click on it. And when you click on that link, you will get the styling fee waived, that initial $20 styling fee waived, and you can also get $50 to shop your first fix. And thank you to the person that used my link recently because I have $50 to shop this fix. Now, very quickly, I already opened the fix and I am already kind of in outfit one, but I just want to show you in the box, there's this paperwork and it's in a white envelope. Also in the box, and I didn't even take it in here because so many people have seen my videos before and I apologize if you haven't, but there also is a prepaid mailing envelope in it. And anything you don't want out of the fix, you throw in that envelope and you send back through the post office. It's as easy as that. But I'm gonna get my reading glasses. So here we go. And we're gonna take a look at this note. And I'm gonna open first, and on top, the Oh Hello paperwork. And that paperwork shows you your stylist note and then all the items in the fix. Let's read my stylist note, and I still have Jaryn. She says, "Hi Janine, happy fix day. The Thanksgiving is officially on over here." That's how long it took me to get to filming here. Turkey check, pumpkin pie check, fashionable outfit. Check out today's box. First up, the Steve Madden Apparel Cardigan. Pro tip, this oversized style is legging friendly, so grab your favorite pull-on style and throw this sweater over a generous v-neck so you're comfortable as you feast. Chelsea boots are totally on trend lately, so I was happy that the DV by Dolce Vita style caught your eye during Fix preview. The touch of Sherpa texture makes these stand out from the crowd. I kept fall and Thanksgiving colors in mind today, and the striped PISTOLA sweater is totally turkey ready. Are you a fan of the slightly cropped silhouette? XO Jaryn. I have to apologize. Like I said, I got this fix right before Thanksgiving, but it's been crazy here and I am finally filming it. So, and I did extend my checkout so that I could finally film for you and share on my channel. The other item in the fix and in that envelope is a thanks for letting us style you, and this tells you the fix number, all the items, and the pricing and the receipt. So this is fix number 62, and I am going to be honest, we're not going to look at that pricing yet. Like I said, I do have a $50 discount, and 2 of the items in the fix are on sale, so that's a bonus when I checked. But I'm going to get right into this try on and let you see everything that's on. So hang on, and we're going to do that in a moment. And as promised, I am back. And I still have my reading glasses on because I want to tell you what I'm wearing and give you a little information. So in the fix, there are usually 5 items, unless you order an extra in your fix, like, you know, bra, underwear, socks, something that's an extra, which I did not do. So there's only 5 items in this fix. So that said, I have 2 of the 5 items on. And we're going to discuss on top first This is the Pistola sweater that Jaryn mentioned. This is the Carlen cropped mock neck sweater. It's in the color burgundy, size small, and it is $198. But I'm going to leave in the comments. I don't have my phone with me right now, but I believe it's on sale. I think it's $117 if I'm not mistaken. If it's wrong, check in my comments, but this sweater I know is on sale. So let's back up. It's a really pretty striped pattern, and like she said, it was very friendly for Thanksgiving. I think it's very friendly for the fall, and I kind of even wear this into the early winter months. The colors are friendly enough. There's cranberry in there, so like, and it's jean friendly. Like, I think the colors are definitely jean friendly. As you'll see, I'm wearing my own jeans by Cut From The Cloth from, I want to say these were from, it's a previous box. It wasn't Trendsetter, it wasn't Stitch Fix. It was a box last year that I did. I can't think of the name. If I think of the name, I'll leave it across the screen, but it definitely wasn't one of those. And then when I pan down on the bottom, I'm going to pull back so you can see this whole sweater, but the bottom, you will see I am wearing the Sorel boots. So they are Sorel Explorer Lil Drift Suede Bootie, color tan, 6.5, $135, but these are also on sale, I believe, for like $80 and change, the boots, when I get to it. So, take that down so you can see, and take the glasses off. So here's the full length of the sweater. When I come closer, I'll show you. I rolled the sleeve because I'm wearing my jewelry and I wanted it to be jewelry friendly, but I'll show you the length in a second. But here's the front of the sweater. I left it untucked. I think you could conceivably do a little bit of a front tuck. So there it is with a little bit of a front tuck. And then there's the back. It is bum friendly, and I'm sorry, my tree is here, so I'm doing the best I can showing you my clothes with the tree next to me. But yeah, it definitely, it covers the bum just slightly, so that's good. Yeah, and it's cute. Now, like I said, if I come closer so you can see the colors, I know it looks orangey, but there's also like some cranberries and blues running through. And like I said, I happen to cuff the sleeve, but you can see how long if you wanted to wear it fully down. I liked it cuffed though because I am wearing jewelry and I feel like that is friendly to what I'm wearing with my jewelry on today. So, but yeah, I mean, really cute. I'm gonna pan down so you can see the boots, so hang on for that. So as promised, here are the Sorel boots. I know they're a little hard to see. I will show you a close-up, I promise, later on, probably in the wrap-up. But I really like that they have like this little touch of fur. And I don't know if you can see, but my jeans are like a little bit, probably more straight leg, and they have the step hem. So it really I thought it played off nicely with that fur accent. And it's just tied in the front, and it's like a tan color suede. So, I don't know, I like them. And I do like Sorel. I have Sorel boots from every last year. And I also just bought another pair of Sorel boots at my local Dick's store on sale, and I used a reward. So, but they are black. These are a different color. Both my other Sorels are black colored. These are tan. So, and they're really comfortable. So, I don't know. And I like that they're on sale, and I do have that $50 reward. So, that would make these quite affordable. I don't know. But that said, hang on. We're going to come back with another outfit. I am back, and I'm going to pan down in a second because the item that I'm wearing from this fix is a pair of pants, to be honest with you. They're actually jogger pants, but I want to tell you what I'm wearing, and then we'll pan down so you can see them. So these jogger pants are by Bella Doll. They're the Pacey Echo Jogger Pant. And I should have opened up the receipt so I could tell you just a little bit more. These are in the color olive, size small, and they're $138. I will be honest with you, I own a pair of Bella Doll jogger pants from back in the summer, and they were like in a lighter blue color, so they looked kind of like a light denim, and I thought I'm gonna wear these so much, and then I never wore them. I bought them and I think I wore them once. So I'm kind of on the fence on these. I do like them, but I'm on the fence if I will use them, and for $138 worth, I'm not sure, to be honest. But let's pan down and take a look. Okay, so here they are, and they have working pockets in the front, drawstring tie in the front. They're elastic, and I'm going to come up so you can see the length of them. And I did pair them with the Sorel boots from earlier, but they have just a very light elastic on the bottom. I'm going to come closer so you can see the color. They're camo, and I do own a lot of camo, so I don't even know if I need these, to be honest, as well, for the camo colored pants that I already own. They also have working pockets in the back, and I'm just wearing it with my own white top from Ever Eve. But these are the joggers, so they are a cute option, and they're very comfortable. Again, just not sure I'm needing them, to be honest. But that said, you let me know. Maybe I'm missing the mark here. Everybody knows how much I do love camo as well, but I don't know. Anyways, I have two more items, so I'll be back with those. Okay, I am back, and I have the last two items in this fix-on, so let's discuss. And I'm gonna put my reading glasses on. So on top is by Steve Madden Apparel, and this is the Odetta hooded cardigan. It's in the color tan, size small, $88. And on the bottom, when I pan down, are DV by Dolce Vita Reacher Shearling Bootie in the color black, size 6.5, $80. So let's discuss first the sweater, and I'll show you it does have a hood in a second. Two things. First of all, I've already noticed it's already shedding all over it. She said to wear it with black. It is shedding all over the black stuff that I'm wearing it with, so that's an issue. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a pull in this sweater, and that is the way I received it. So it is damaged, so if I did want to keep, I'd probably want to see if I could exchange it. But knowing that it pulls so easily, that's a little disconcerting for the price. So let me pull away so you can see the whole sweater effect. It has working pockets. Hang on, sorry. Working pockets on both sides. Here's the length in the front, and it's a good fit. Here's the back. And let me show you the color up close. It's like an oatmeal color almost. And let me show you the hood. It is cute, but like I said, having the issue that it's shedding all over everything and that it's pulled very easily apparently. Someone must have tried it on before me and pulled it, and that's the way it came in the box. Not so thrilled about that, but again, this is the final outfit. So we're gonna come back, pan down to those booties, and then do a quick wrap up. So here, as promised, are the close-up of the DV by Dolce Vita booties. I will hold them closer in the wrap up at the end, but I just wanted you to see them on. So here are the front. Here are the side with that Sherpa accent. And then here are the back of them. So they are cute, but again, not sure. So hang on and we're gonna be back with a wrap up. Okay, I'm back for that quick wrap up. And as promised, I wanna show you the boots close up. So I have two different pairs of boots. These are the DVs that I wore in the final try on. So I just want you to see the Sherpa detail, the little bit of the heel to it. Has that side zip closure, the back. That's that booty. Now I want to show you the Sorel. And this has the Sherpa on the tongue. And it just has these laces. I didn't lace them back up. The Sorel logo on the back. And there's the tread on the bottom. It has like Sherpa inside that boot too. So liking this one, I think, a lot more than I thought I would have. But that said, let's just do the wrap up very quickly. I'm still wearing this sweater and we'll just talk about everything else and pricing right now. Okay, I have the pricing in front of me and I'm looking at my phone because, as I said to you earlier, this sweater by PISTOLA is on sale and it is on sale for $117.99. So I wanted to give you the correct price there. The Sorel boots that I just tried on and then showed you the close-up are on sale for $80.99. So that's a good steal as well. And then, because I have a $50 discount, I want to give you, because the pricing on this sheet is incorrect. So to buy all, the buy all discount of 25%, because if you bought all 5 items in the fix, it would be $126.25 off. The stylist pick subtotal before all the rest of my discounts is $504.98. Being that I have the $50 credit, the new subtotal after the 25% off discount and everything else is $346.25. I think that's not a terrible price for all 5 items. However, I think I have mentioned what I'm leaning towards grabbing out of this fix. So my 2 choices, sorry about that I am leaning towards. I'm leaning towards this PISTOLA sweater, and hang on, wait for it, and the Sorel boots. The discounts on both I feel are possibly worth it with my $50 discount on top of it. Let me tell you, if I were to do that, the price. Hang on for that a second. So let me check out as if I wasn't keeping the rest and give you the total. So if I were just to keep the sweater and the Sorel boots, they would be $162.91 for both items with all the discounts that I have at this point. It is kind of steep around the holiday time, so not 100% sure, but let me know your thoughts. You've seen everything. I'd appreciate your feedback as well. Put this down, and I just want to say a quick thank you to all my returning subscribers. It means the world for your friendship and your support, and that you continue to come back and give me that support. Thank you for that. Happy holidays to all, because we are pretty much in that season. And if you are not a subscriber, I'm holding a boot, but I just want to say, hit the subscribe button below, because I will bring more of this content your way hopefully soon. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say, have a magical day and bye for now.